Hello guys, let's talk today about this BLACK+DECKER screwdriver. I've been using this for some time. It's very useful and very easy to use. Okay, so you have the trigger here. You just press it and hold, and it's going to screw or unscrew depending on the position that you have here. So you have forward and you just change here, and you have reverse. Pretty easy to use. So you can also change the position here to a different one. Let's say you need to reach out for something that's far away, you can use in this position, and you just press here and change again to do whatever you want. Okay, so pretty easy to use. It has a lithium battery. You just connect the cable here and start charging it, and you're ready to go. And also something interesting that I see for this device is this light that you have. You just press here and you turn on the light, and that helps when you need to illuminate something to work better, right? So pretty easy to use. I've used this for a while. I like it and I recommend it.